Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
A theme in PowerPoint is a collection of a color set, font set, effect style, and background style you can apply to your presentation slides. To apply a theme in PowerPoint, click the Design tab in the ribbon. The available themes appear in a scrollable list box in the Themes button group. You can click the upward pointing and downward pointing arrows at the right end of the scrollable list to see more themes. Alternatively, to show all the available themes in a drop-down menu instead, click the More drop-down button below these arrows in the lower right corner of the scrollable list box. To preview a theme in your presentation, hover your mouse pointer icon over a theme in this scrollable list. To apply a theme, click the theme to apply in the list. To remove an applied theme immediately after applying a theme, click the Undo button in the Quick Access toolbar. Some types of themes have variants that let you apply slightly different versions of the theme. To apply a variant of the current theme, if available, click the desired variant in the scrollable list in the Variants button group on the Design tab of the ribbon. In later lessons of this chapter, you'll examine how to customize the individual elements of a theme by changing its color set, font set, effect style, and background style. After making changes to a theme, you can then save it as a new theme you can later apply to other presentations. To do this, modify the theme as desired. Then click the Design tab in the ribbon. Then click the More drop-down button in the lower right corner of the scrollable list box in the Themes button group. Then choose the Save Current Theme command from the drop-down menu to open a Save Current Theme dialog box. By default, this dialog box opens to the Document Themes folder. Do not change this folder location to make it easier to apply custom themes in the future. Then type the name for your custom theme into the File Name field. Then click the Save button in the dialog box to save it as a theme file in the selected location with a .thmx file extension. Your custom theme will then also appear as a theme choice you can select from the list of choices in the Themes button group.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.